Guess what? doTERRA's holiday guide is here, and you guys, it is seriously the most fantastic holiday guide doTERRA has ever put out. It is so amazing. You're absolutely gonna love it. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And I upload diffuser videos and essential oil videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Now, if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna teach you how to get my free essential oil usage guide. You are definitely not gonna wanna miss this awesome guide. It's got over 100 essential oils and their uses and how they need to be diluted, if they're sensitive, all those different things. You're definitely gonna want to grab that guide. So wait till the end and I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get it. So let's jump right in and go over this amazing holiday guide. You guys are gonna love this.
All right, so here it is, the Holiday Gift Giving Guide 2020. Let's jump right in and see what this is all about. So page 2 and 3 have Daiquiri diffuser. This is a zen-like diffuser. I love the new stylish diffusers doTERRA is coming out with, and this one happens to come with holiday piece. So you can get this retail at $58.67 or wholesale at $44, and it counts as 20 PV. Then on page 3, we have our Holiday Joy and Holiday Peace, two of our different holiday blends that come around this time of year, so that our houses smell warm and inviting during this wonderful holiday season. Both of those are $32.67 retail or $24.50 wholesale. Oh, sorry about that. And they are $24.50 PV. This next page I'm really excited about because we have the Ancient Oil collection. We have never gotten anything like this around Christmas time from doTERRA. So it's really exciting that we get to introduce these. Well, I guess 4 of the 6 oils are brand new. The other 2 we have on a normal basis. So this kit comes with myrrh, frankincense, galbanum, hyssop, and cistus. Oh, and common myrtle. So I'm really excited for these ones. And as always, of course, I'll be coming out with videos talking all about how to use these and things like that. You can find that in the description. As soon as I get those videos up, they will be in the description and in the cards above. The Ancient Oil collection is $246.67 retail or $185 wholesale, and it counts as 150 PV. So we have the Desert Bloom Passive Diffuser. This is perfect for a desk or a bedside table, and it only requires just a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and it will slowly disperse into the air. So super fun. I know it kind of, sometimes when I see white things, I think plastic. This is actually made out of clay, and it has a natural beechwood base. So really cool. It's $16.67 retail, $12.50 wholesale, and 0 PV. Pages 6 and 7 are on my favorite color, pink. I love this color pink so much, and I absolutely adore the products on this page as well. We have our Cuisine Blends, which we have never had before, and so this particular collection comes with 3 different blends of essential oils, a Mexican blend, an Italian blend, and a tropical blend. And these are meant for us to be using in our cooking. And they retail for $32.67, wholesale $24.50 with 15 PV. Then we have our adaptogenic hot chocolate. You guys, this is super fun because if you don't know, adaptogenic compounds or adaptogens, I guess is what I should call them, are they actually go into your body and they relieve stress on your systems. And so anything that's adaptogenic is stress relieving. And so this is a hot chocolate that has 4 different added adaptogens and a touch of cinnamon bark essential oil. So I'm really happy about that one. And then next we have our lime drops. These, they actually debuted in the 2019 convention. You could go and just try them. And I went back multiple times because I loved them so very much. They've got lime and lemon essential oils in them. And they come in a great little decorative tin that's green. They retail for $19.33. They wholesale for $14.50 with counting as 10 PV. And I'm not sure how many come in that pack. Okay, moving on to page 8 and 9, we have the Cali Personal Aroma with Diffusing Scarf. And this scarf was actually designed by a female artist in India, and it has some lava rock beads on it that we can put our essential oils directly on. And this blend includes wild orange, jasmine, rose, and amorous. And then from there, we have our Tinted Lip Gloss, which we had a couple years back, but it was packaged a little bit differently. This has peppermint essential oil in it, and so it acts as a natural lip plumper. And it also includes vitamin E. Then we have the Quintana Personal Aroma. This one basically comes from Madagascar, some of our Madagascar oils. We have in this ylang ylang, gardenia, patchouli, and vetiver. Our vetiver comes from Haiti. And it says it's a blend for an intoxicating kaleidoscope of scents. So that one retails for $52.67, wholesale $39.50 with a $35 PV. Then our doTERRA Serenity Lennon Mist Spray is back. I'm so excited about this one. $9 retail, $6.75 wholesale, and $5 PV. And then we also now get the adaptive blend in a calming mist that we can mist all over our beds, our backpacks, our clothes, whatever we want, wherever we're in a stressful situation, our cars. I'm super excited about this one. $9 retail, $6.75 wholesale, or it counts as $5 or 5 PV, sorry. And then we have our adaptive bath oil. Yay! I'm so happy for this one. This has our adaptive blend in it, and obviously you put it in the bath when you're taking a bath. It's just going to be awesome. Oh, I didn't tell you how much that was. Let me go back. So our adaptive bath oil is $24 retail and $18 wholesale and 15 PV. Finally, we always end the catalog with doTERRA's Healing Hands Foundation. Our doTERRA Hope Touch and Rose Hand Lotion are 2 products where 100% of the proceeds go directly to our Healing Hands Foundation, specifically Operation Underground Railroad, and some of the foundations that support recovery for trafficking. So, and then we've added our Together blend to that mix as well, and all of the proceeds go to Healing Hands for that as well.
Okay, so there you have it, our awesome holiday guide. I would love to know, what is your favorite thing that you are so excited to get from this doTERRA holiday guide? I know for me, I'm dying for those cooking oils and those magical Christmas or holiday oils. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. And the diffusers are gonna be amazing. Now, as promised, I promised to share with you how to get your free essential oil usage guide. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description below, pop your email in there, and it will be sent directly to your inbox. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you all later. Bye.